Hangout is live. Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right, so I guess I'll share my screen. Okay, so I haven't like done anything to make it look all pretty or nothing.
Mm-hmm.
But so in like step 4, it wants us to sort the contract dates
Yeah.
from oldest to newest.
Mm-hmm.
But every time I do that, so like my formula for the heck?
I was reading here. Is it because it says there's one hint that it says if you include a reference to the same worksheet in a cell formula and then you sort, the sorting will not work correctly and the data will be incorrect. For example, if you are on the worksheet called summary and your formula is summary C6, then when you sort it will not sort correctly. Instead,
Yeah.
are we supposed to have a summary page?
I don't know. So I think on the video the guy said that like this sheet can be called your summary page. I should probably let him know.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
I should probably watch that again, just in case. Because someone did ask that, and I just kind of blew it off. But now that I'm reading this, I'm like, oh, okay.
Mhm.
Well, and then let's see. We also have the sheet, the sheet that has just the plans and the holidays in it too.
Yeah. Yeah. So we got these. So, but hey, so my question is, every time that I sort it from oldest to newest, I get like nothing but values.
Oh, let's see.
But
You know what? Because you need to sort. Oh, let's see. Are you doing the filter? You're doing the filter.
yeah.
It looks like. So you want to, if you do the sort, it should include everything in there because you're changing those first 3, but you're not
Oh.
changing the last bit.
Oh.
So I would. Hey, Karen.
So
Hi.
We were on the other call.
We were on one, but we weren't there.
Oh, well.
And finally he's like, are we at the right place? I'm like, I don't know. Nobody's here. We both exited and went into the same link and you guys were there. That's weird.
That's really, oh yeah. That's weird.
That is
Because there's 2 sets of them. So we were talking about sorting, doing the sort.
okay. So you were saying grab all of this, right?
Yeah.
And then sort?
Yes, so you want to do a custom sort. And then you sort by, it says to do contract date. So you do sort by contract date. And then oldest to newest.
Okay.
And then push OK.
Oh man, that is so easy. Okay. Cool. And then so my next question is, how do you count the difference between like the days? I mean, I can do it in my head. That's obviously like 15 days.
So remember how the dates have like, each date has a numerical number that's associated with it. If you just do it equals, if you do like E4 minus EF4.
That's exactly what I did.
Oh, right. Okay. So wait, what about if you don't want it to count weekends?
Well, if you didn't want to count weekends, then you would do your workday.
Uh-huh.
You have to call. Right, yeah.
Your workday formula.
Okay.
And then, did you
So
guys
you would
still
just
have to
do
do
like equals workday and then E4 minus F4?
Oh, you're talking about the second column? So you're supposed to have 3 columns that you figure out. You have to do your completion date with
yeah, so these 3 right here.
normal work days. and then the completion date where you're working Saturdays, and then a third one completion date when you're working Saturdays and holidays.
Right.
So you have, yeah, you
Okay.
have that right. So then you would just do the estimated completion minus the 6-day work week to get the second one.
Okay. Cool.
So just
And
doing
then,
the exact
so we
same
don't have to
thing.
worry about we don't have to worry about counting the weekends or anything like that then? Over here?
Oh, the day saved by working on Saturdays.
Yeah.
That should be your first calculation. The 6-day work week it's talking about subtracting your estimated completion date by your 6-day work week. That is what gets you for days saved by working on Saturdays.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, that's all the questions I have.
I finally finished everything in time for a meeting.
Yay! Good job. This was a good one, and a good one to do that.
Yeah. And I was happy for that extension we got
Mhm.
for the number 7.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And then I busted through this one. So it
Good
was kind of
job.
nice to not spend a day and a half on one spreadsheet.
Well, get ready for the exam.
I
I don't
know.
know if you saw it, that's due on Wednesday, not Saturday.
Yeah, I
Oh.
saw that. It's coming up quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
We don't have a mini project due before that, do we? I haven't looked ahead to see.
that's a good question. We shouldn't, but
I know I just looked up the date of the exam today, but I didn't think about the mini projects next week.
I hope we don't. If we do, that's just cruel.
That is
well, we didn't last week or the last time. So let's see, because that would determine if we actually meet on Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is mini project 8. Yeah, the mini project 9 ends on February 18th. So that's Saturday. February 18th, but I mean February 17th, it ends on a Saturday. So we don't have. Yeah, so we don't have anything due on Wednesday. It's the
Besides.
exam
Besides the
instead.
test.
So the exam is due Wednesday, and then the next project is due Saturday.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll be
do you
meeting.
wanna try and meet Thursday of that week, or should we push it a day, or what? How do you guys want to do that? Try and do Thursday still.
Yeah, if we can do Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wednesday's Valentine's Day, so as long as that doesn't.
Oh, I'd like to say, well,
I don't
actually,
get to have a Valentine's Day. You'll be doing a test and a mini test.
yeah.
Yep.
Oh, that's funny. I know it's late. He's over here yawning. How
Yeah.
did we end up in a separate group? Like
I know.
we're sitting there. Finally, he's like, "Are we in the wrong group? Where is everybody at?"
Oh, that's great.
Well, so what happened is the first link that I sent out, I hit start broadcasting like as soon as I got into it. I was thinking to myself, well, I'm already live. I don't want to sit here for 5 minutes and just be me on the recording. So I pushed stop, thinking that I could resume it. You can't. Once it stopped, it stopped.
Oh, so then okay. So we were in the first one.
Yeah, you guys were in the first one, and then I started another one.
Okay. I had to use this in a class last semester for the first time, and the very first meeting I recorded, I didn't know what I was doing, so I just hit live. So the first 10 minutes of the video is me just sitting there
Oh, no.
for people to
Oh,
log in
no.
because I didn't know to wait to hit the button. So now I know.
Yeah, the first time I had a meeting, had to do this, I hit record as soon as everybody got on. But we didn't actually start talking about things until like discussing things for about 15 minutes. So our instructor got to hear all about it, all of us, which probably is like, come on.
I spent like a half an hour learning how to shave the video down afterward because I didn't want to see it like that. I Googled it and figured it out. Because I'm like looking around the room and just sitting there, you know, waiting. So,
That's so funny. Dang. All right. Well, should we call it a night?
Yep, that sounds good.
sounds
Okay.
good.
Cool. I'll send the link out to you guys.
So we don't meet until next week, Thursday, correct?
Right. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
11 Eastern, 9 Mountain.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
11 Eastern, 9 Mountain.
And it's 8 for me.
Okay.
So much fun when it's over all these time zones.
I know. All right.
Okay, well, you guys,
All
good
right.
luck on your exam
You too.
Thanks.
and
Bye.
have a good week. Bye.
Bye.